a miraculous collection of high-converting, slide animation templates with unrestricted PLR to sell as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Brand new 2023. 100% unique, never released before. No need PowerPoint, Keynote and more presentation software. 00230421. Click for sound. At SlideMotion for payment. Get instant access here now. Done for you. Templates in popular niches. Create unlimited high-quality animated presentations. Editable, customizable as easy. Just click and replace. Multi-purpose work for all niche. Keep 100% profit from your pocket. Slap your name on it and claim it as your own. Keep all the leads you generate effortlessly. Build buyer's list with hot presentation designs. No need to download and install embed images inside your slide. Step-by-step tutorial. Did you know slide animation designs industry trends are growing? All business sector slide animation designs industry has trended upward over the 5 years to the growing popularity of digital marketer. For most of the past 5 years, consumer spending has strength, encouraging businesses to invest in advertising to capture more consumer dollars. Consequently, advertising agencies increase the demand for skilled presentation designers. Presentation designing at present is more than just creating attractive visuals. It has become an integral tool for online and offline marketing. With slide animation, designs can be a great alternative at times for any business content. So this is one of the most popular and in-demand topics today: ideas and creativity that make 100% profit. You'll get high-quality animated slides with different business categories at the top-selling niches. No one sells these packages. To be some of the first marketers to sell this and earn 100 so help you practice becoming a professional presentation designer. And you know what? This is not at all limited unrestricted PLR opportunity. You can even sell the private label rights to this package to your customers without download and install files. But the problem here is option number 1. You don't have the skills and time to create digital products yourself. It will take you weeks or even months to learn, practice, and master how to create design mouth-watering animations using Photoshop, PowerPoint, Keynote, or similar software that requires downloading and installing files and makes your customers hate you because you spend their time just downloading and installing. So this is the best solution for you. The fastest and new revolutionary slide animation templates to dominate in this niche. Investing in high-quality unrestricted private label rights. Slide animation template. One-time secure payment. No recurring fees. Proudly presenting a brand new revolutionary technology animated presentation to rebrand and resell as your own to generate never-ending profits without download and install. So you can generate 100% profit effortlessly. No PowerPoint, no Keynote and no limits. Just access, customize, share your link. SlideMotion is 100% made by our best designer with Canva free account. Build attention getting animated presentation and ready to sell in 3 easy steps. Step number 1. You can choose one from SlideMotion high-quality animated presentation templates. Step number 2. Customize and new revolutionary slide animation templates to dominate in this niche. Investing in high-quality unrestricted private label rights slide animation templates to help your business. Here's the secret: one of the critical keys to bringing your business to the next level is to have a quality presentation design in your market. That's how you brand yourself as an authority figure and make your mark in your niche. However, product creation requires tons of hard work. Good news! We've got a solution for you. We've researched this topic on the market, compiling it into a massive, scalable, high-quality masterpiece and value-intensive blueprint that you and your customers will love. For this time, we're releasing an animated presentation bundle that the market desperately needs today. No download file and install files. Just access, customize, and sell it. Unlock your creative presentation design bundle such as 500+ slide animation templates. Get instant access here now. Plus you can even sell it as your own and keep 100% profit. And we're offering you more than just presentation design. We are going to give you a full-blown product that you can sell right away and profit. One-time secure payment. No recurring fees. Proudly presenting a brand new revolutionary technology animated presentation to rebrand and resell as your own to generate